Good morning, Greeley Elementary students. We're here to talk about cyberbullying. So what is cyberbullying, you may ask? Well, the definition of cyberbullying is a bullying taking place using electronic devices. These devices could be computers, tablets, cell phones, gaming units, or any social media site that includes texting, chatting, or emailing to others. So who is affected by cyberbullying? Everyone who has access to a multimedia device. So I'm looking up at you guys and I'm seeing probably every one of you is acceptable to being cyberbullied. So, because we either have cell phones, you either have a tablet, a computer, or a gaming device. Cyberbullying can be affected by all these items. There's not just one single platform where cyberbullying takes place. It could be Skype, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, your online gaming, all of it is acceptable to cyberbullying. So there's some many forms of cyberbullying. There's exclusion, harassment, outing, cyberstalking, trolling, catfishing, trickery, dissing, fake profiles, and fraping. And you're probably looking at yourself saying, those are some pretty weird looking words, and some of them you don't know what they mean. So I'm going to highlight a few of the forms of cyberbullying. Exclusion, that's purposely excluding someone from an event or an activity. So if you were forming a party and you purposely did not invite somebody from your class, trying to exclude them to make sure the other ones don't want to be friends with them, that would be part of the exclusion of cyberbullying. Outing someone out to be mean. So if you know a secret of one of your friends and putting it out there just to be mean, that would be part of the outing. And then fraping. Fraping's a word you probably have never heard before. Sounds like vaping, but it's fraping. It's logging into someone else's account and pretending to be them. So understanding why some cyberbully. Why are there cyberbullies out there? Well, some of the reasons might be jealousy. They might feel that you have a better life than them. Maybe you have two parents. Maybe they go home every night and their parents work till 11 or 12. So they're kind of jealous that you might have a little bit better life than them. They might want what you have. Maybe you have a nicer home. A family. Wants you to feel like them. They don't feel good about themselves, so they don't want you to feel good about yourself. Another understanding why might just be anger. You might be mad at someone, not knowing how to deal with your anger in a correct way. That might lead to cyberbullying. And peer pressure, not having the confidence to stand up to others that want them to follow, trying to fit in. Sometimes it's hard. You want to be part of the group, but some part of the group might be part of the cyberbullying. You have to make that decision. So what are some things you can do if cyberbullying does happen? Well, you can tell them to stop, that you're not going to put up with it. You can stay safe. Make sure that you always stay in a safe place. Report it to a school official. We are always here for you to come talk to. Talk to a trusted adult. This might be your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your neighbor next door. Tell somebody that this is happening. Collect evidence. Keep the evidence on your phone where they're cyberbullying you. Might be sending bad messages or something. Report the site, app, or game. So if you're being cyberbullied on your video game, make sure that you're reporting it to PlayStation or Xbox so they know that this is happening and they can stop it. Don't give up. Demonstrate care, work together, and don't provoke it. Don't go back at them. That is just going to make the issuing more, and then you are going to be part of the cyberbullying access too. A picture's worth 1,000 words. Very true saying. Just make sure that you know the consequences for posting that picture. Once they're on the web, they're there for forever. They really never go away, even though you don't see them anymore. They are still out there. Don't spread the virus of cyberbullying. Help break the pandemic. Thanks. Do I have any questions?